Hi, if you've been watching my channel for a while, you've seen this sign in the back that has a list of things that I need to do. And one of those things that I'm looking to do is make a birthday present for my dad. So my dad's birthday is at the end of July, and I have been trying to think of things that I could like express my appreciation for all that he does for me and my sister and my mom. So I thought the easiest way for me to do that, personally, me being me, is to make him a shirt. So that's what we're gonna do. So that being said, let's get into this video. My dad is one of those people who's like a self-proclaimed cool kid or bad boy from the 90s, late 80s, if you catch my drift. So like, imagine this, you're out at a club with your friends and someone has the courage to come up to you and he has confidence and he's charming, but you're there with your friends, and so you like politely dismiss him and tell him, hey, I'm here with my friends. He would be the kind of person that would say something kind of cheeky and walk away, but it's kind of funny, so you can't really be mad. That person is my dad. That's my dad. With that being said, the vibe for this project is that it's definitely going to be a shirt. I want something that's like flashy in concept. So if it was like a deep V, that would be flashy enough for him without it being also a bright and vibrant color. That's not necessary because he's experimental, but to a point, and I want him to feel comfortable in his clothes. He is someone that actually likes the physical comfort of clothes more than maybe even the actual clothes themselves. For the overall vibe of the shirt, of what I'm thinking, if you can come on with me for like a TV show reference real quick, imagine Martin Lawrence from Martin mixed with DJ Jazzy Jeff from Fresh Prince of Bel-Air, coupled with Theo Huxtable as an adult, specifically adult Theo Huxtable from The Cosby Show. May he rest in peace. But imagine all of them if they were to take like a vacation, a little bit more relaxed, because he lives in Phoenix, Arizona, where it's 1,000,000,000 degrees over the summer. His birthday's in July. We kind of need this to like work in the heat. So take all that information and then mix it with what I am currently capable of at my skill level, plus the time that I have allotted for this project. These are the concepts that I'm going to like work for, with, and towards to finish this project. Something like distressed, loose, that works and is comfortable, something that's relatively quick to work up, even if it's not the easiest shirt, but have like nice colors that vibe well together. Without further ado, let's try it. Let's go. Let's see if we can finish this project, because his birthday is right around the corner and we really need to finish this before he leaves back to Arizona. I will link the pattern down below, but I really think that this is so cute. It's a sand dollar shirt, Holly's threads. It's actually quite easy to do. I'm working on the back panel first. I think it leads into the sleeves, and then I'll do the front. I have to go get buttons for it today. I like never know what to make him because he lives in Arizona now for work, and it's hot there. Every time I visited him, it was hot. Even when I went in December, it was hot. So I want to give him something that he will be able to wear maybe any time of the year, but also like he likes to golf. He likes doing things outside. He likes fishing and stuff like that. So I want to give him a shirt that like if he does end up wearing it outside, it's not gonna like cause him a lot of distress. But also like my family is taking a trip to Hawaii next year, so I thought it would be really cute if he could maybe wear this shirt in Hawaii as well. I'll update you guys. This is what I got going on so far. I'll update you guys when I at least finish the second color here. I might be playing a game of yarn chicken. I have like a skein and maybe a half left, and I'm definitely gonna need more, so I'll probably have to run over to Lumpy Buttons or Buffalo Stitch and Stitch Buffalo and grab extra yarn. This is what we got so far now, updated. I am very thirsty. I'm gonna drink some water, and then I'm gonna drink water, and then I'm gonna head to a cafe to get like a coffee because I have had no caffeine and I'm getting very sleepy. But I think it's so cute. Okay, so I just realized that I messed up because the top of this slopes, like, and it's not supposed to. It's not cute. I clearly have dropped some stitches, so I literally have to frog this whole thing. This is how far I got. So I have to frog it all the way back to like row 2. Okay, and I was like on my 3rd color change as well. So I really I'm going to take a break before I do that because I'm tired. This has been a lot. All right, so it is the next day. I went to work, so that's why I look like this. I'll show you the progress. I'm about to Google, my dad said before that he was in XL, but I'm about to Google the size that I want to make for my dad. So right now we're about 12 inches in. So I'm gonna work on this for a bit and then switch to a different project. I definitely lost that game of yarn chicken from before, and I needed to make a new shirt and quick. So here's the new process. Okay, so if it was crunch time before, it's burnt crisp time now. I'm currently driving to Lake Placid, which is 5 hours away. My dad's birthday is in 2 days, and I'm starting all over again because there's no way I'm gonna be able to finish that pattern that I had before. So I'm gonna use that for him, I think, for a Christmas shirt. Anyway, so I'm working on this now. Here's the progress that I'm starting with. So if you saw the short for this, then you know better than I do how much I get done. But hopefully I can finish the whole shirt by his birthday on Monday. So I'm working on this after the end of the, what were we on? The road trip. We wanted to relax for a bit. I don't have enough of this blue color to do the second half the same. So I'm either going to crochet up from here to round, I think this is round like 16, and then stop. Or I will use that mustard color that's over there for the other half and just have like a two different half colored shirts where these colors show up at the same time. I'm not sure, but I think that I like this length of the sleeve. This is what it looks like. Okay, can you turn around and face me? Thank you. You put your hand down. It's a shirt. I think the sleeve is good. What do you think?
Feels comfortable.
Is it hot?
No.
Cool. Okay, so I finished this shirt for my dad. And it looks really short, as you can see, but that's because I have not blocked it yet, so it's really stiff. So I'm gonna block it, see like how much wiggle room I have to work with, and then add on from there. So let's block this. I decided that I was going to make this shirt into a v-neck instead of a cardigan. So I put the 2 markers about 10 stitches from the top, so that way I could crochet a connecting piece to the bottom, and that would create like a v-neck type shape. And here is the finished shirt. Be sure to subscribe if you like this video. Stick around if you'd like, and this link will take you to whatever YouTube video YouTube thinks that you would like the best. All done.